Imagine a car that seamlessly blends everyday practicality with the soul-stirring performance of a supercar. This is the essence of the F10 M5. Introduced in 2011, this fifth-generation M5 redefined what a luxury sports sedan could achieve, setting new benchmarks and leaving an indelible mark on the automotive world. The story of the F10 M5 begins with its heart, a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, codenamed the S63B44TU. This power plant was a departure from the naturally aspirated V10 of its predecessor, embracing forced induction to deliver a staggering 560 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque. This shift to a turbocharged engine was met with both excitement and skepticism, but BMW's M division proved that it could balance power with precision. The result? A car that could launch from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.1 seconds, catapulting it into the realm of supercar performance. But the F10 M5 was more than just raw power. BMW engineered this machine to handle like a dream, incorporating a host of advanced technologies. The car featured a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, providing lightning-fast gear shifts and enhancing the driving experience. The Active M differential ensured optimal traction by intelligently distributing power between the rear wheels, allowing the M5 to carve through corners with precision and confidence. Coupled with an adaptive suspension system, the F10 M5 could effortlessly transition from a comfortable cruiser to a track-ready beast. Design-wise, the F10 M5 maintained the understated elegance that BMW is known for, with subtle cues hinting at its performance pedigree. The aggressive front bumper, quad exhaust tips, and M-specific aerodynamic enhancements distinguished it from the standard 5 Series. Inside, the cabin was a blend of luxury and sportiness, featuring high-quality materials, M-specific instrumentation, and seats designed to keep occupants firmly in place during spirited driving. It was a car that exuded confidence and sophistication, whether parked in front of a 5-star hotel or tearing up the Nürburgring. One of the most remarkable aspects of the F10 M5 was its duality. Here was a car that could comfortably accommodate 4 adults and their luggage, making it ideal for long-distance journeys. Yet, at the push of a button, it could transform into a ferocious performance machine, capable of holding its own against dedicated sports cars on both road and track. This blend of practicality and performance was a key factor in its appeal, drawing in a diverse range of enthusiasts who wanted the best of both worlds. The F10 M5 also marked significant advancements in driver assistance and connectivity technologies. It was equipped with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a head-up display, enhancing both safety and convenience. BMW's iDrive system provided intuitive control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, ensuring that drivers remain connected and in command at all times. These technological innovations contributed to making the F10 M5 a thoroughly modern vehicle, ahead of its time in many respects. As the years have passed, the F10 M5 has earned its place as a modern classic, revered by enthusiasts and collectors alike.